Hi everyone, my name's Elizabeth. For trying for a year and a half, we were unsuccessful, so we thought, well, let's take the next step. So we went down and saw a specialist who just ran tests on me for over 6 months, then decided, well, hey, let's have a look at Steve. His first result came back average, so we did another one. His second results come back under average with some abnormalities and not really good swimmers. So my mother-in-law, who knows Sandra, who was up here earlier, got us Antonia's number and we started the program with her. She told us in 3 months we'll be pregnant, and just a little bit over 3 months we were pregnant, or 6 months. Yeah, Steve, she worked a lot with Steve. I can let him have a chat to you all about that. Yeah.
I couldn't believe finding out that there was something wrong with me. I couldn't believe it. I thought out of all people, like a bloke like me, you know, I couldn't believe it. I was shocked, full on shock. I was dazed for that day. I couldn't move. I couldn't do nothing. I was really emotional, crying and all the rest of it. Yeah, I couldn't believe it, eh? Anyway, so we found out that my lower back was buggered because I'm a builder, and yeah, I've done a lot of hard work before and all the rest of it, and we worked on trying to unblock one of the tubes and that, and it's worked all right now, and you know, it's happened, and yeah, we drank the tea and all the rest of it, and just like, because I was pretty sceptical when we walked in. Even the first time for that first consultation, we walked out. The thing that I think drew me back was the incense, and just that feeling of she's into Indians and stuff like that, and so am I. Like I like that sort of culture, you know. So pretty happy going back. And what was I going to say? Yeah, she told us that it'll happen, you know, sort of 3 months or whatever else. And it was about 2.5 months, and that was the last time she was going to ovulate or whatever. And then the next time she was going to ovulate was after 3 months. So I thought to myself, what's going on here? You know, we're going to be over that 3 month sort of threshold, you know. So I was sort of like turned around and said to my wife that, you know, that's it, you know, if it's not going to happen now within the next few weeks or whatever, I don't want to bar of it, and I don't want to hear about Antonio or no one else. And I want to, you know, sort of relax for 6 months or whatever. I don't want to see anyone or do anything or think about anything. And yeah, sure enough, like I sort of didn't. And so I just started, because I stopped smoking and drinking and everything for about 2 months, you know. And yeah, so at that stage, I got back on the smokes and, you know, drinking pretty heavy and that. Because I thought like all, you know, that was it. And yeah, in that time. It happened in that time. So I couldn't believe it, eh? Yeah, and that was it. That's the story. Thank you very much.